Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl Butler, and you're listening to the Mighty Mommy's Quick and Dirty Tips podcast, which will help make your life as a parent a little bit easier and a lot more fun. Welcome! Today's episode is number 605, How to Build Your Teen Self-Esteem. 5 tips for parents, because no wonder teenagers often struggle with low self-worth. Peer pressure, changing bodies, the struggle to excel in academics and sports, it's a lot. Here are 5 tips from Mighty Mommy to help boost your teen's self-esteem and set them up for success. The quick and dirty is this. Parents can play a significant role in helping to build their teen's self-esteem. There are 5 things that you can do that will make a big difference. First, give them responsibilities to show you trust them with important tasks. 2, encourage them to become problem solvers, to show you're confident that they can meet life's challenges. 3, let them take healthy risks, to let them explore and build resilience. 4, connect regularly and be a thoughtful listener, to show them that you care. And 5, praise their efforts, not their innate qualities, to keep the focus on the things that they can control. A teenager's life isn't easy. They have constant access to social media, which can make them feel like they're nowhere as cool as their peers. They compete to excel in academics, sports, and even to find friends that they vibe with. Overcoming these hurdles can seem monumental. It's hard to have positive self-esteem when you never feel quite good enough. Of course, you want your child to feel confident and to know that they're always good enough. Helping them cultivate a strong self-image means they'll grow and thrive in all areas of life, both now and in the future. But helping them find that confidence isn't always easy. Many teens not only struggle to find acceptance in the outside world, but also, and maybe more so, within themselves. So there are 5 ways you can help to boost your teen's self-esteem. First, give them responsibilities. Let your teen know just how capable you think they are by trusting them with responsibilities. As a working mom, I rely on help with meals. A lot. My kids know they'll be starting dinner on the days I get home late. They understand the benefits we all receive when I work extra hours. By sharing the responsibilities of weekly dinners, my teens know I'm counting on them. I value their participation, and so does the rest of the family. Communicating your needs is key. When your young adult knows he's fulfilling an important role, his self-esteem will grow. Next, encourage them to become problem solvers. Kids develop self-esteem by doing things that are hard for them. Babies learn to crawl and then walk. Young children learn to tie their shoes, ride a bicycle, and read. As parents, we cheer on these milestone events. As they grow, kids continue to master new skills, leaving them with a great sense of pride. These accomplishments help build a foundation for strong self-esteem. Not to mention, problem-solving skills ranked 3rd out of 16 in the Harvard Business Review study on successful leaders. Kids face daily challenges. They navigate peer pressure, meet school deadlines, and learn new skills to be part of a sports team. Our job as parents is not to solve everything for them. It's to teach them how to find their own solutions. Ask your teen for input about everyday family decisions. Does she want more privacy? Have her brainstorm ways to create a nook for herself. Let your son coordinate carpooling for football practice. What's her advice to her younger sister for handling friend rejection? There are endless opportunities for you to invite your child to share their insight. And in the process, you'll be demonstrating that you trust and value their judgment. And a quick tip for you. Ask your kids for advice when you're struggling with something. When my mother passed away recently, I needed to get her home ready to sell. The process was endless and so overwhelming. So I asked my teens for advice on finding a fair way to distribute her things. They found dozens of creative ways to streamline the process. It was so helpful for me, and they felt great knowing they made a positive impact. Now, let your child also take healthy risks. From the moment your baby is born, it's your job to nurture and protect him. You do everything in your power to keep him healthy and safe from harm. It can be exasperating to stand back and let your child fend for himself, though. But allowing space to explore and take risks is an incredible tool to build self-esteem. Susan Sachs-Lipman, the author of Fed Up with Frenzy, Slow Parenting in a Fast-Moving World, says sometimes we have to show kids what risk looks like. In the article, Why Our Kids Should Take Risks, sometimes even slightly dangerous ones, she said, most of the traits we want for our kids, resilience, confidence, empathy, academic achievement, flourish when parents and children have time to be together and experience role modeling and positive support. Well, I can relate. My 8 kids and I went White River rafting several years ago. It was so out of my comfort zone, but my kids loved that we were doing it together. We hit a few rough spots, but overall, we really enjoyed the experience. It was thrilling and satisfying to see everyone do so well. New experiences can offer another healthy tool to feel successful and confident. And you also need to connect regularly and be a thoughtful listener. Kids want to know that they rank highly in our busy lives, but we all get caught up in the grind of work, running a household, and trying to keep on top of finances and bills. When it comes to family life with our teens, it's easy to be lax with our interactions. Look for opportunities throughout your busy day and week to connect with your teenager. And when you do, you're going to send an important message. You mean a lot to me. Rika Bhatia, MD, a dual board-certified certified child, adolescent, and adult psychiatrist, recommends that parents and their kids spend at least 10 to 20 minutes of meaningful time together each day. So engage in an activity of your teen's choice, or strike up a conversation about a subject that they're interested in. She also encourages parents to set the goal to be an active listener when connecting with their teen. This reinforces that you care, building their self-worth. Your child knows when you're listening, so make important moments count. By giving them your full attention, you're teaching him what good listening skills are. And a quick tip for a heartfelt look at a teen's view on self-esteem, visit my page at www.quickanddirtytips.com/mighty-mommy. This is episode 605. And watch a TEDx youth talk that I have posted by Kaylee Lydon, a 9th grade student. It's quite remarkable, and it really opened my eyes and mind into how my teens are probably feeling. And last, praise your teens' efforts, not their innate qualities. Praise is a powerful tool, especially when it's given genuinely for a job well done. But make sure to praise your kids for their efforts and not innate qualities and traits that they can't control. We can't all be natural-born geniuses, but we can work hard to expand our knowledge. Most of us aren't born looking like models, but we can have fun with creative self-expression. 3 of my children overcame significant learning disabilities. Their progress was slow but steady. We learned from the experts that the best way to praise children with low self-esteem is to compliment them on their behavior. Here are a few examples. Praising a quality would be, "You're so smart," but praising their effort, "Hey, the extra time you spent on your science project really paid off." Praising a quality about looks would be, "You look beautiful." Praising an effort, "Wow, I love the creativity you put into planning your outfit today." Constructive praise helps kids to appreciate their own efforts. Self-esteem comes from working hard toward a goal and feeling good about it. How do you help build your child's self-esteem? Join the conversation and share your thoughts on the Mighty Mommy Facebook page or Twitter. You can also email me at mommy@quickanddirtytips.com. Listen and subscribe on Apple, Spotify, Google, Stitcher, or wherever you get your podcasts. I'm so glad you tuned in to listen this week. Next week, please join me as we discuss why simplicity is the 2020 holiday gift you didn't know you needed. because with the pandemic, the holidays are going to be different. But the silver lining is the simplicity. It's actually a whole new gift that parents never figured on. So I'll share some ideas on how to tap into a fabulous but low-key holiday season. Keep enjoying your terrific family, and until next time, happy parenting.